Hello, I'm Dr. Deepak Devakar. I will give you some information about pre-wedding care. So congratulations, you are going to be wedded soon. So you need to do your skincare and look the best on the day of your major occasion. So what needs to be done? You should first understand what are the skin issues which you are facing with. List out these, and when you come to us, we will help you with clearing all these issues. We will examine your skin, analyze it, and then suggest you what is best required. If you have a particular time, let us say some of them are in a hurry and within a month they want results, which may not be possible in all the cases, but some procedures can be done to improve the pigmentation faster. Ideally, 3 months would be an ideal time before you can plan your skin treatments. We do basic skin routine according to the skin type, and then we suggest them cleanser, toner, moisturizers and sunscreen as a daily routine, which they can do. Vitamin C serums are advised according to the skin type. If there are any acne or spots which are left, this can be cleared with basic skin care. Now, you need to understand, apart from sharing these skin issues with us, we need to brighten your skin and give a skin glow. This is what is expected at the time, to have a spotless, clear skin and be looking best on the stage. Now, what can be done to improve this? We need to plan a skin schedule treatment. So, usually we start with a milder procedures like chemical peels or microdermabrasion, which are minimally invasive. There is no downtime. You can go back to daily activities, shopping or any such visiting has to be done. You can continue with the basic skin care like sunscreen also. And there are some invasive procedures. Now, depending on the age, after a little later, after late 30s or then what happens, there are some aging signs of the skin which can be visible. Wrinkles can be there, folds can be more visible, open pores. All this can be tackled with various skin treatments which we do in our clinic. So if there are tanning, if there is a tanning, microdermabrasion, chemical peels will work. If there is wrinkles, we have different options like Botox, filler treatments and various anti-aging treatments. Skin tightening treatments can be done. These are non-invasive. Skin tightening laser is a non-invasive procedure. Here we utilize the laser energy which will help in building up collagen and tightening of the skin. There are different procedures like ultrasound and radiofrequency skin tightening devices which are available in our clinic, which we utilize to give a good result, which gives a fuller appearance and fresh look to the skin. Now, if there are folds, deeper folds on the forehead, wrinkles forming, Botox can be used. The lines in the corners of your eyes like crow's feet, Botox is giving good results. This require 7 to 8 days to give a complete result after it is done. But it has to be done at the right place. Now what happens, Botox and fillers are done in many places now, but if qualified doctors experienced are not there, you may end up with complications, which is not safe to take a risk when you are planning for a major event. So it's better to consult a qualified experienced dermatologist and take the treatment. Botox is a very simple procedure. There is no downtime. Minimal bruising can be visible, which is there for few days. That is why you need to keep some margin before having the major occasions. Botox is something which is a very decades old treatment which is done all over the world. We are using the best of the available products to take away the wrinkles and folds in your skin. And then there are thread lifts which are done, which are going to give some lift in the skin to folds and the laugh lines, jowls which are there around the mouth. Skin tightening can be done in the angles of the mouth. Cheek lift is done non-surgically. All these are minimally invasive, which have minimal downtime, and recovery is also faster. You can go back to your daily activities. Apart from this, there are other concerning areas such as double chin, darkening of the neck, tanning of the arms and legs, excessive body hair. All this can be treated with various options which are available, and usually laser hair removal is a very common procedure done. It's very safe. We are using a US FDA approved laser at our clinic, which is safe and without any complications. Laser is a procedure, every time you do it, you can see the growth of the hair keeps reducing. We have many patients who come for these procedures. For example, laser hair removal for full legs or full arms just takes 1 hour or so. After that, you can go back to daily activities. The hair growth, you can start noticing that it is reducing from the first session itself. What you are seeing earlier, let us say if a person is seeing growth after 1 or 2 weeks, it gets extended to a month from the first session itself. The growth slows down, the coarseness of the hair reduces, they get more finer, and every time you do, it gets softer and softer. For laser, you may require around 6 sessions or so to get an ideal result, but it is safer to start early at least 3 months before if you are planning for any major occasions. Similarly, tanning can be a major issue. There can be uneven tan. Exposed areas are more darker, covered areas are lighter, which is giving a huge contrast in appearance and making it very embarrassing. So to avoid such situations, you need to start the daily skin routine. Moisturizers and sunscreen for the exposed area. Have enough hydration, water, fruits, a healthy lifestyle, exercise. All this will naturally improve your skin glow. Along with that, whatever tan is already happened, pigmentation is there, we can remove it with various procedures. Chemical peels are very safe to do. We do it in our clinic once in 2 weeks or 3 weeks depending on the area which is treated. This requires just a 10-15 minutes procedure, and this causes some mild flaking and peeling of the skin, which can be masked with just a moisturizer, so it is not noticeable much. After that, you need to use a sunscreen. In 1 or 2 sessions also, you can notice this significant improvement in pigmentation. Similarly, laser toning can be done for the arms and legs. It takes away the pigmentation, lighten the skin tone faster compared to chemical peels. So if you are going out more during this period, you need to use protective sun wear. You need to wear caps, wide brimmed hats, so that more light doesn't come. If you are going for shopping or visiting people before marriage, you need to have a lot of skincare so that you don't end up getting darker after doing all these efforts. So I hope your skin is best at the time of your marriage, and all the best. Thank you.